who don't want to look beautiful or who don't want to have healthy glowing skin, especially on special occasions like Eid or any other festival. I will share some simple and easy steps that will help and add that festive glow. Stay tuned and watch the complete video. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Talat and welcome to the OT. So, the first step is CTM. Any beauty routine is incomplete without CTM, that is, cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. You need to do this routine twice in a day, once in the morning and second at the evening or before sleep. You can choose any gentle face wash or baby soap for cleansing. For toning, best option is pure rose water like Khadi, Kama or Patanjali. Or you can also try DIY toner. For that, you need to put 2 spoons of rice in a bowl and some saffron threads. Just keep them sit overnight. Strain it in a spray water and use it twice in a day for clear, brighter and toned face. For moisturizing, choose any of your favorite brand. The second step is exfoliation. It is important to remove dead skin cells so that your skin can be more receptive to your skincare products. You need to exfoliate twice in a week. Choose powder peel of orange or lemon or any scrubber of your choice. Third step is steam and pack. Adding a mask into your weekly routine is a great way to draw out any impurities or add additional moisture to your skin depending on the type of the mask. Before mask, take steam for 5 to 10 minutes and then apply mask. You can choose neem powder, chandan powder or haldi besan. Fourth step is chemical peeling. Chemical peeling is an important process to reverse your dead skin. Take a spoon of apple cider vinegar and 1 spoon of rose water. Mix and apply it on your clean face with the help of cotton bud. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes and then simply wash it with normal or plain water. Fifth step is aloe vera gel. Nothing can beat aloe vera gel. You need to apply it fresh aloe vera gel, and if it's not available then you can go for the packet one. Apply it as a night cream. Last step is hidden in your kitchen. Crush the potato, tomato and cucumber and apply it on your face directly or make ice cubes of them. Apply daily or 4 times in a week. So we have done with the 7th day challenge with 6 steps. Look out that summary of your timetable for next 7 days. With this routine, don't forget to have healthy diet and proper sleep. Drink plenty of water. Don't step out without sunscreen of at least SPF 50. This routine will give a new life to your skin. Try it and share your results in comment section. And remember, beauty starts from within, so make sure you take care of yourself internally as well as external. And don't forget the importance of living a healthy lifestyle. That's all for today. Hope you found this video useful. And don't forget to share it with others. I wish you a very healthy life.